Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and in today's video I want to share with you some exciting news regarding Metro PCS and the all-new LG Q7 Plus. That's correct, the LG Q7 Plus is in fact coming to Metro PCS, and it is coming on August the 13th. Now, before I share all this information with you, I do got to give a big shout out to a fellow YouTuber that goes by the name of Psychotic T-Bone. This is his channel here. He provided the information to me, so big shout out to Psychotic T-Bone. Definitely check out his channel, show him some love, subscribe to his channel. He also does Metro PCS unboxing videos as well as some gameplay. So again, definitely check out his channel, and thank you very much for providing this awesome information for all of us to know about. Psychotic T-Bone, that's his channel right there. Links in the description below of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to this information. So as you can see here, I'm going to read it with you guys. To Metro PCS dealers regarding the LG Q7 Plus coming August 13th. Now, the LG Q7 Plus will officially launch Monday, August 13th. Effective immediately, devices can be pre-sold in advance of the launch. Please note that the announcement of the Alcatel 7 also launching on August 13th will be communicated on August 8th. So not only are we getting an LG Q7 Plus, we're also getting an Alcatel 7 device coming to Metro PCS. Pretty awesome as well. So if you take a look here at the key selling points, enjoy immersive audio rendering for music, videos, and games over headphones with DTS-X and a hi-fi quad DAC. So you're getting a hi-fi quad DAC with the LG Q7 Plus. Now, if you've never used a device with a hi-fi quad DAC, it is awesome. The audio that's coming from it is definitely better than anything else that you have ever heard if you're not using a device previously with the hi-fi quad DAC. My LG V20 has it, and I'm telling you, audio quality is next level. Enjoy a 50% reduction in noise, providing a true-to-life sound that is close to the original. Multitasking is a snap as well with 4 gigabytes of RAM. That's correct, 4 gigs of RAM you're going to be getting on the LG Q7 Plus. So not just 3 like a lot of us were hoping for, but we're in fact getting 4. Now, internal storage is going to be 64 gigabytes of internal memory, expandable up to 2 terabytes. So that is a fantastic amount of storage. So no 32, you are in fact getting 64 gigabytes of internal storage with the LG Q7 Plus. Now, you will never have to be without your favorite videos or music. Superb protection against dust and water, meeting IP68 standards for submersion in water for up to 30 minutes of depth, up to 1.5 meters, approximately 5 feet. So you're going to get IP68 certification with the LG Q7 Plus as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at pricing now. So the LG Q7 Plus everyday low price retail is $299 after $30 instant rebate. So $299 for everything you're getting here. That's pretty awesome. That's actually a pretty nice package. I believe this device is definitely going to check a lot of the boxes that us consumers have been wanting with LG and on Metro PCS as well. So I think this is going to be the device that a lot of us have been waiting on. I mean, don't get me wrong, the LG Stylo 4, I have it right here. It's a fantastic smartphone. I really enjoy using it, but I think this is the one to get right here, the Q7 Plus, coming August 13th. So if you're one of those consumers out there that actually didn't upgrade to the Stylo 4, you're still rocking your 3 Plus, I think this is going to be the one to pick up. So again, very exciting news. We are getting an LG Q7 Plus. August 13th is just right around the corner, and also getting an Alcatel 7 as well. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below of this video. Let's get a conversation started. Are you going to be picking this up? Have you picked up the Stylo 4? What are your thoughts on the Q7 Plus? And once again, everybody, big shout out to our good friend Psychotic T-Bone for providing this information. Once again, thank you very much. I really do appreciate that. Definitely check out his channel. But yeah, there you go. There you have it. That's all the information that is available as of now. But everything's looking good here. Hi-Fi quad DAC, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal memory, expandable up to 2 terabytes. And you're also getting the IP68 certification for water and dust resistance. Again, I'm pretty excited about this. I think this is fantastic, and it's coming to Metro PCS as well. So you got a little image there of the LG Q7 Plus. So once again, everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this video helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button, share this information out, and subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.